the ocean. So now we're doing the first one that we're going to be seeing is Henry the Hermit Crab. Okay, I like how he has these little dots at the bottom of them, and he has nice little short legs. Oh, I like his I like his little pinch thingy. So, and now we're going to see Stella Sea Caterpillar. She looks so nice on him, and all this, and look at her cute little face. I didn't even notice her cute face. And here we're going to see Jip, the daddy long crab. He has his long legs and all of that. He does a great job for everything. Now we have Strawberry. He looks nice. Okay, and then we have Carrot, and now we have and then we have this little guy. And now we have Eggplant, and then we have this is impossible. Okay, I'm knocking everything down. Okay, and then we have Turnip. Turnip looks nice. And so now we can see as the gut bee. The gut bee has wheels. You see these wheels at the bottom? They do this. So that's cool. And then we have Seanie the sea turtle. He looks nice. I like him. He's so blue. Now this is Ely the eel. He looks green and nice. I like these little flippers and this. He looks very nice. And now we have Creamy the crawfish. He goes like this, and he can even talk. But I can't find my way home. I need to get home for my daddy's birthday. He talks nice. I like his little feet there. He's a cute crawfish. Why vomit? Okay, now we have Captain Bear Dine. He looks nice. He's a nice polar bear. Nice. Okay. And now we have Wazzy the cat. He has his little eye patch on, and he's all ready, and he's doing quite nicely. I can't really read the bottom of his boot. And now we have this. It looks pretty preposterous, but I'm sure it looks nice or maybe scary. Now we have this little riding thing. It has these two headlights, and it looks nice. I'm sure it does look nice. Very nice. Oh, can I stop saying nice? Okay. So now we have the ground V, and as you know, it can open up, so you can see it, the insides. So it has this while it's going. It does this. So, and you can also fold it back in like a hose, but we're not gonna do that right now. So we have, oops, let me see what this does. When you push the button.
The last one to the cup is a rotten fish egg. Quasi, do you read me? Aye, aye, Captain.
Now we have the planetarium. Let's see what's, so it looks nice, the door, and that. We have all these, it has all of these things that can lift people up. And now we're going to see the back. The back's cool, and this thing, see that? Oh, that's so nice. Oh, let me just do. We're gonna do. I'm gonna do this 2 more times. It's so cool. I just love that. So it has all the train. Oh, it has, now the buttons work. Stickers. Okay, we have, fish memberships. The auto alarm button. Okay. Turn it back around. Okay, and now we're going to see, last up, this train and arrow. I don't know what it's for. It looks like the moon across from there. Yeah, looks nice. Down. This video is fun. You might like to play with it, and if you have a favorite character, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Let us know in the comments below.